Do you know most of the people nowadays don't like to ring a business or fill out the contact us form on your website to make a booking? What they would like to see is your real time availability, pick a time slot, make a payment. No rocket science. That's exactly how your customer would experience when you are with On-Time Bookings platform. I am Nirmit, founder of On-Time Bookings. Let's deep dive how your customer would experience and make a booking with very few clicks. Customers start by telling us where they are. They start typing the suburb. Let's say they are in Cross Nest. Now they can see all the services available in this particular suburb or location. All the services are categorized by categories defined by you. All the packages and services are there. Customer try to browse the services that they are interested in. On the service page, they have all the information they need on this particular page. No more clicking or browsing through other pages or so on. To view the availability or add to cart, pick the right time duration, again defined by you. Let's say customer wants to check the availability for 90 minutes block for auto driving lessons. That's the availability calendar for auto driving lessons for 90-minute blocks in Cross Nest. Can browse through all the days or months. It can show whether the day has full availability or limited availability, because it has only from 9 to 10:15 and only one block available for Nirmit. Let's say I want to make a booking on 1st of June with John on 9 o'clock in morning. I would say yes, add to cart and continue. So the booking has been added to the cart. Done. Now either you can add your pickup address and continue to give your details, or you can add more lessons if you wish, of the same service and same duration, or you can browse through all other services. Let's, for demonstration purpose, go through a flow for the package as well. Say we have a package for 10 hours of lessons, which is usually $800, but we are giving as a package as a discounted price of $725. Again, all the information that is required for customer to make the decision is right there on this page. Can add the package to the cart, click on schedule lessons, and you can add some or all of this 10 hours of lessons right there in this cart. The lessons can be of 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or 120 minutes. Again, that is all configurable by you. If you wish that you just want to allow 60 minutes and 120 minutes, that's all doable. If you want to allow multiple services as well in the package, that is also possible. Let's say customer wants to make a booking for 90 minutes for this particular package. So they click on 90 minutes, same drill. Say for example on 25th, I'm booking with John at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Add to cart. So I, out of 10 hours, I schedule 1.5 hours of the lesson for now. I will leave for other lessons to get booked some point later. Right. So I would just add a pickup address now to continue. So my pickup address is supported. I will continue to my details, add my name. Now, if my email is already been used, I have to sign in. If not, say for example, I just say is the new account for this email will get created behind the scene. Customer doesn't have to add password or any other kind of a road blocking step at this moment. They can add student details if you wish. If the booking is for, say, for example, their family members, their son or daughter, or anyone from the family. So I will just put my dummy card details and I will just pay. Done. The license is created 1st of June 9 a.m. with John Smith. The second one is 25th of May 11:30 a.m. with John Smith. For the individual lesson what we created, that is one voucher that is being used, and then the other voucher we created for the package that was from 10 hours, 8.5 hours still left. So you can still make the booking with this voucher. So that was the full booking journey for your customer. No phone calls, no contact form fillings, no waiting game. If you would like to see this solution working for your business, the contact details are in the description down below. Let's get in touch. Looking forward to see you. Have a nice day.